Skyguide, the Swiss airspace navigation service provider, is responsible for the national CNS infrastructure, of which the Instrument Landing System, ILS, is one of the most important parts. It needs to be measured regularly. This is predominantly done with flight checks, but those are expensive and also create scheduling problems and nighttime noise. Previously, a 20-meter mast was used for ILS ground measurements, meaning that they were restricted to the near field of the glide path antenna. The results have not been very satisfying and are not really comparable to flight checks. Far-field measurements at 1 or 2 kilometers distance could provide much better data, but for that the mast is too low. To enable far-field measurements with better accuracy, Skyguide started tests with drones in 2015. This was very successful for ILS as well as VOR. And since 2018, the drone is being used operationally. The flight path is pre-programmed, the drone flies fully automatic, and the drone pilot is only monitoring for safety. The measurements in the far field show an excellent correlation with flight check aircraft measurements. The data is being streamed live to the Skyguide software on the ground, where the necessary calculations are being done in real time, so the results can be checked while the drone is flying. Key benefits of using Skyguide CNS drones are 50% flight check aircraft cost reduction, real-time live results, minimal operational disturbance of air traffic, less noise and CO2 emissions, operationally proven for more than 5 years. By being the first to utilize drone technology operationally, Skyguide is leading the CNS measurement revolution, with live demonstrations and attention from customers across the globe.